Hello and good night. Welcome to another season of Jamaican Idol. Today we are in the city of Portmore, Jamaica, where we'll be auditioning very and many talented young people. So behind this door we have Jamaica's #1 artist, Dan Daga.
Hello. This is the one and only Dan Daga, Jamaica's #1 daggering expert. Any type of dagger you want, on the floor, on the ceiling, on the car, on the toilet, I can dagger.
We also have, all the way from New York City, one of Jamaica's exports. He has come back to us to give his expertise on these contestants.
Selector Benke did come from yard and we did go to New York, but we come back now for the competition. And me produce everything. Me a look girl with tight pussy, want fuck.
Right?
And from them at BBM, them have to link me 2238910F.
And last but not least, we have our mixed up breed, half coolie ting. What's her name again? Tammy? What's her name? Tammy?
Hey, I'm Tiara. I'm a new Grammy artist, and I'm here currently working on my 4th album. I'm half Jamaican and half Chinese, so just trying to get a nice reggae feel for my album, get in touch with my roots. Yeah, man, you don't know.
Tina? Something like that, but she's not big yet, but she's getting there. And when she gets big, I and you will know her name. Let's see these artists, or want to be artists. Let us go on, let us cross it. Come on in, it is exciting.
Hey, what's going on? My name is Gaza Al-Akhbar.
Hold on, what you say? Gaza?
Yes.
You know the Panagolo side?
You know about Gaza?
This is real Gaza, don't get twisted.
You know the Panagolo side?
Hey buddy, don't get twisted, alright? Real Gaza strip, real Gaza man, alright?
Kid, say me a bad man, you know.
Hey,
no, but I
not with
man,
not with that band-aid, kid boy, okay?
Eh?
I'm going to sing my song.
Alright, go on with it, the king.
Alright, I have one song I know, English. I have words. Can I use?
Oh, with it,
boy.
I use my phone, okay. Gaza strip, real Gaza strip, remember. Okay, and 1, 2, Baba Ganoush, okay. Billie Jean, not my lover. She's just a girl. Say, I do not know this word. Can you help? I do not know this word.
How am I going so
Okay.
bad?
She's just a girl. Say I am one.
What?
But the kid is not my son.
Hold on.
Okay.
What your name again? It no matter. Come off of the stage.
I have one try.
Hey. Listen.
Okay, you cool guy. I did.
If not have film paper, my little girl for marry. If not in this competition, it's a joke thing, man.
Who's next?
Hi, my name is Stacy.
Mom Stacy.
Hi. I just want to sing that song by Rihanna called Stay. She sang it on the Grammys. Okay. All alone, it was a fever.
Jesus Christ.
Hot, sweated believer.
What is?
I want you to stay.
Yo, Stacy.
Hi.
Oh, just stop that. Where are they?
Sing a song?
No man, that's torture. Where are they? No man. Come on to the studio.
Come on, man. Step out.
Hold on, can you just give me one more chance? I just want one more chance, okay? Okay, one more chance, okay? Me's a girl in a fight over man. From a little bit of just so me time. This your girl only one give one. After that into food and just get it back. Me's a girl in a fight over man. From a little bit of just so me time. This your girl only one give one. After that into food and just get it back.
Well, it looks like things are getting a little heated in the studio. So it is time for us to take our first commercial break. But be sure to stay tuned and come back and watch as we continue our search for Jamaica's next idol.